In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if your AOL Mail account is not working properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would just be to sign out of AOL Mail, relaunch the browser, and see if you sign back in, everything's working again. If not, you may want to just close out of everything and then restart your computer and then attempt to go back on AOL Mail and see if that resolves the problem. If that still isn't working, you may want to check your internet connection down in your system tray. Make sure you have internet access down here. There's this little icon that says internet access. Or you can also attempt to clear the cache and cookies out of your web browser or try a different web browser and see if that fixes the problem too. So for example, if we're using our web browser here, Microsoft Edge, we can select the three-dot icon up at the top right and go down and select where it says delete browsing data. You would select the cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. In the time range, you'd want to go back all time. You don't have to delete your browsing history or download history, just the cached images and files and cookies and site data. You'd select clear now, and then you'd relaunch the browser. Please note that this will sign you out of most websites, but if you're having issues getting into AOL, that certainly could be part of it. AOL servers could be down as well or could be experiencing technical issues, so you may just have to give it some time and come back later. This is most evident if you're not having this issue on other websites or other web mail clients and you're just having an issue specifically with AOL. It could just mean there's an issue with the AOL servers at the present moment. So just different things to consider, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.